Just a quick demonstration that you can learn even from the people you're teaching. And quite often children ask me questions that I probably haven't thought of asking myself before. So it's useful to always look at what's happening in the workshops and the demos that I'm doing. And I am today busy finishing off putting foot rings onto the Samian bowls that were made by people in my workshop at Vindolanda just recently. And this one has incredibly deeply pressed decoration. Now that comes from the mould that was made by the student at the workshop. And I would never, ever think of pressing the punches into the mould so deeply, because it can give you problems getting the pot out of the mould. And generally speaking, it's very, very, very rare to find a Roman example where the decoration would be pressed that deep. But lo and behold, it has come out of the mould. Not only that, but the decoration is really good. It's standing out beautifully. So it might make me think twice a little bit in future about just how deeply I press the punches into my Samian moulds.